Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your Tinder account. Without any further ado, let's get started. Once you've opened your Tinder application on your device, you'll immediately see several login options presented on your screen. These options are designed to give you flexibility in how you access your account depending on what's most convenient for you at the moment. You'll notice three main ways to sign in: continue with Google, phone number, or email. Each of these methods works perfectly fine, so you can choose whichever one you prefer or whichever one you originally used to create your account. The platform remembers your login preferences, making future access even quicker. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option is particularly useful because it streamlines the login process by connecting directly to your existing Google account. This means you won't need to remember a separate password specifically for Tinder, and it makes the entire process much faster and more secure. After clicking Continue with Google, a new screen will appear showing all the Google accounts that are currently linked to your device. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll see them all listed here. Take a moment to locate the specific Google account that you originally used to set up your Tinder profile. This is important because selecting the wrong account won't give you access to your existing profile and matches. Once you've identified the correct Google account, go ahead and click on it. This action tells Tinder which account credentials to use for authentication. The app will then automatically verify your identity through Google's secure login system, which happens in the background without requiring any additional input from you. After you click on your Google account, give it just a moment to process. The app will now log you into your Tinder account, automatically loading all your matches, messages, and profile information. You'll be taken straight to your main feed where you can start swiping and connecting with people right away. And that's it, you've successfully logged into your Tinder account using Google authentication, and you're now ready to use all of Tinder's features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.